Well, there are two taxes relevant to Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. One is income tax. So if you're trading, selling goods or services and somebody pays you in Bitcoins, it's just like being paid in a foreign currency. You convert it into pounds and that goes on your accounts and you know, or in your tax return, and you'll pay income tax on it. And the other is capital gains tax. So if you are buying and selling Bitcoins and you make a gain, then when you have to work out the gain or loss when you sell the Bitcoin, convert it into pounds, and again you've got a capital gain then, and capital gains taxes on that would be 10% if up to high rate tax, and then 20% above that. It's also the case, so if you buy something, like if you buy a car with Bitcoins, that might not feel like you've made a capital gain, you just bought something, but in actual fact you have to do a calculation because you've effectively disposed of your Bitcoin for effectively pounds to purchase the car. You have to work out what was the value of the Bitcoin, value of Bitcoin when you bought it, or you acquired that bit that you've just spent, and what is it when you sell it, and there'll be a difference. And you have to work out, have I made a capital gain or a capital loss, and that's just like any other, as I said, any other capital gain or capital loss, but you might not appreciate the fact that you just made a gain. It might not feel like it, but you've effectively traded in it. It's just the same as if you sold it for pounds and then bought a car. So some people miss that bit out or forget about that, so that's something to bear in mind.